Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Hamster Kombat app on your Android or iPhone. This method works the same for both devices, so whichever one you're using, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First, open your Play Store on Android or the App Store on your iPhone and search for Hamster Kombat. Now, you might see a few apps with similar names in the results, but here's an important tip. These are not the real Hamster Kombat apps. You won't find the official app in either the Play Store or the App Store. So where do you find the real Hamster Kombat app? The answer is on Telegram. If you don't have Telegram installed yet, go ahead and install it on your phone first. Once you have Telegram, open it and go to the search bar at the top. Type Hamster Kombat into the search bar. Look for the official Hamster Kombat channel, which should have a blue check mark next to its name, verifying that it's the correct one. Click on the channel to enter. Once inside, you'll see a Start button. Click on Start and then you'll see a Play button. Tap that and the Hamster Kombat app will begin loading directly inside Telegram. You'll need to click Next a few times to go through the setup steps. After that, you'll be greeted with a gift, your first reward of 100 coins in the Hamster Kombat app. Now that the app is loaded, you can start using it. There are options to mine for coins, invite friends to the game, and complete various tasks to earn more rewards. You'll also see an airdrop option in the app, which allows you to participate in events and earn even more coins. So, if you want the real Hamster Kombat app, you can only get it through Telegram by following the steps I just showed you. By the way, if you're tired of getting ripped off when you're shopping for games, I've found the perfect thing for you. Whether you're into action, RPGs or strategy, Kinguin has thousands of games available for you to download and play for cheap using their discount codes. They offer Steam CD keys as well as PC game keys, so you can play your favorite games without having to sell a kidney. The link to Kinguin's website is in the description. Check it out.